In this video, I'm just going to give you some brief tips on how to look up stocks and find some good ones to invest in on CNN Money. So in the previous video, I showed you how I went up here and I clicked on, or the search, I searched for Netflix. So if you know the company that you're looking for, you can just click up there, search for it. If you have absolutely no idea or you want to do a little bit more research, the companies that have better potential profit gains, etc. A couple ways to do that. One, I went up here to markets and I got all my stocks just by going to the Dow 30, and that brings up this screen. The Dow 30 is just used to kind of watch the market and get a general sense of, is the market going up, is it going down? So these are just some large companies. Generally, they're pretty stable. So if you want to choose stable companies, these would be a good choice. If you want to live on the edge, market movers will show you a bunch of companies that have gained a lot or lost a lot or have been selling a lot recently. Here we go. So here's the most active today and the biggest gainers today, the biggest losers today. So you could look at this a couple different ways. You could look at the gainers and say, oh, these guys are on their way up. I'm going to invest in these. These are good ones. Or you could look at that as, well, they're going up today, but that means tomorrow, next week, they may be going back down. I don't want to put my money in there. I'm going to jump down here to the losers. They're losing money right now. I'm going to bet on them, gamble on them, and think, oh, I think they're going to go up. Now, if you want to do a little bit more detailed research, like let's say we want Delta Airlines. Okay, they've dropped a lot here, a little over 2%. Let's see what they've done over the past year. So I click on the symbol, and it's going to take me to a page that gives me more information. So you can see over the past 5 days, they've been dropping quite a bit. But let's expand this out to like the last year, or let's go to 1 year and get a better feel for what their stocks have been doing. All right, their stocks are kind of all over the place, up, down, which isn't unusual at all, especially with the market so volatile right now. But they're definitely kind of the lowest they've been in a long time. So this might be a good stock to invest in. Since they're at a low point, you may want to gamble and say, okay, I think they're going to start going back up. Let's put money in, because obviously if I buy it down here, I'm kind of buying it at a discount, and it starts going back up, I start making money. So that's how you can use CNN Money to kind of do a little bit of research, get an idea of what stocks you want to invest in.